guys, okay, so I just got out of the shower. I haven't even brushed my teeth or anything, but anyways, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting in this Biosilk hair remedy, and then I'm also putting in, it's Pureology leave-in conditioner basically. So I just spray a couple sprays in my hand. I mostly just put it through like the split end. Since it is like sopping wet, I'm just gonna put it in a towel. And then it's out of my face. So it is like 12 o'clock right now. I work at 1 o'clock. I'm still drinking my iced coffee. But what I do first thing in the morning is just take some vitamins. So I just moisturize my face, and I use Mary Kay Timewise Age Fighting Moisture for normal to dry skin. I've been using Mary Kay moisturizer for years now, and it just works so good. And it's very affordable. So if you do want a Mary Kay product, just hit me up and my mom can give you 20% off on her website. And I will link it down below. I'm just putting on my makeup first and letting my hair air dry. Whatever. I'll probably just put it in a braid today. I don't really care. And for those of you who don't know, I work as a pharmacy technician, and I really like my job. And I'm going to school to be a pharmacist. So this is like a good stepping stool for that. And then for foundation, first what I put on my face is this Mabeline BB cream. It's not even really like a foundation, it's just a tinted moisturizer. I've been using it like forever. I've basically just been using the same products since I was like a teenager. And I put it on my neck too, just a little bit, so that it's all like the same colors. Yeah. So that is the first step of many, and my towel is falling. Oh, I'll just let it fall. Whatever, I don't care. Okay, so after I put on that BB cream moisturizer, what I do is I put on this MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, and I just put it on so that it like sets everything and it keeps it to stay on my face all day. And I just put it in my problematic areas, like on my chin, under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose. I'm so embarrassed about the mess. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. Then I put on this MAC bronzer. And a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way. So you want to be careful not to look like super orange if you put on a bunch of it. And then I try to contour my nose because it's really big. So the last thing that I put on my face is just this Benefit Illuminator highlighter. So that's just like everything that I do on my face. And now moving on to the eyes. This is the Mary Kay Brow Definer Pencil in the color Blonde. and I just do it very lightly because I really don't like cartoon eyebrows. I really just want to fill in the bald spots. That's my main goal. So the only thing that I do to my eyes is mascara. So the last thing that I'm going to do is my lips. Now I'm done. I'm using Baby Lips. And yeah, so now all I have to do is brush my teeth and braid my hair. Now all I have to do is just get dressed, and then I'll show you guys the final look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my uniform. I just am wearing black slacks and black Vans. This is my coat. I'm just hiding where I work and our logo. But yeah, that is me getting ready for work in the morning. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Serena!